Welcome to Insider Bench by LMTSM. I am your host Akshita Rana, and today we have with us Mr. Jagdeep, General Manager at Newgen Software, as a guest speaker. With nearly 16 years at Newgen, Mr. Jagdeep has built an impressive career in global enterprise sales, currently leading a team responsible for positioning Newgen's BPM based enterprise solutions across banking, insurance, and manufacturing sectors. We are grateful to have you with us today, sir.
Thank you so much.
So, starting with the podcast, take us back to your time at LMTSM, one memory or an experience from those days that still shapes your approach till today.
See, there are a lot of memories. This is a very good question, first of all. There are huge memories, but what I have learned in LMT SOM, the way we were working on the projects, because we were, all the people are coming from different parts of the world, and all the projects and case studies, because all the case studies and all the guest faculties, they were giving the projects, and multiple team members are working together on the projects, considering the timelines. And over there, I have learned a skill where you have to involve the people, basically as a teamwork.
Exactly.
How you can effectively leverage people. This is one skill which I have learned over there, which I am also, because I am practicing day by day in the corporate world also, that is which is helping me a lot. So that is the one part which I would encourage all the students. If you can practice here all the skills like relationship building, trust, although everybody knows all the parameters, but if you can practice more, which you can replicate in the corporate world also.
True, sir. True. So, your career has spanned close to 16 years. Looking back at that whole journey, what was the toughest transition you went through and how did you get through it?
Again, very good question. See, 16 years is a very long journey. What I found is biggest issue for me is, which I will say, because here we all are working as individual contributors, and we have started and we came with the aspirations, we came with the dreams, and then suddenly you are involving with so many people from different parts of the city, country also, and because initially we have started as an individual contributor, now I am leading a team of 5 people. Directly I'm involving a team of 5 people, but indirectly I'm working with all the, considering my nature of job, I'm working with customers, partners across worldwide. So considering in my nature, so what I found is, from coming from individual contributor to leading a team, which is a huge journey, and which again only you can reach over there if you can practice over a period of time.
Exactly. So, team building
Team building is a one.
Definitely. So, if you could sit across from here, your final year at LMTSM self today, what is one piece of advice you would give him? Also, what would you tell our current students who are stepping and about to step in the corporate world?
See, one advice I always give: networking. Meet so many people, discuss with your informal or formal chats with them, build a relationships. See, if you will learn this skill, relationship building here, which you can replicate in the corporate world very easily, because ultimately all the jobs which you guys are doing, maybe sales, marketing, admin, HR, any nature of job, ultimately the backbone is relationship building, and then trust. How you are building the trust among your team, and among if you're dealing with the customers and partners also. So this is one skill which you can learn here: networking and relationship building, which you can practice while going to the corporate world.
Yes, sir. So, one skill you picked up outside your classroom at LMTSM that ended up mattering the most than you expected?
See, one skill, because initially here, while we were studying here, we have learned IT marketing. Because I've never thought about I will go into front end selling. So we are into basically enterprise solution selling, and I got a different job. There are two set of jobs. One, where you are directly dealing with the customers and you are selling the softwares. Second, being a product company, because they want us to open the doors in all the countries also, where you are dealing with the partners and you are building the partners, and you are without opening the office, you are reaching over multiple countries where you are dealing with the customers. So that is one skill which I have learned here, which and I am practicing, and considering between comparison between both the things, I think I am lucky enough because I got a role to work with all the multiple countries where I have learned different culture experience, languages, dealing with the different people. So all together different beasts which you are dealing with. This is one thing.
So thank you for your
Thank you
valuable
so much.
time, sir. It was really good to talk to you,
Yeah,
getting
absolutely.
your insights, sir.
A pleasure
Thanks
working
a
with
lot,
you guys.
sir.
Thank you so much. I wish all the very best for all the upcoming batch, and I would say dream big.
Definitely,
Thank you
sir.
so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.